The apex has been done already. You can find a video link of the apex method in the description below. Apply a layer of base gel and dip into the lighter powder. We used Costa Rica and Fresh in this video. Use a Future Nails Ombre brush to rub the darker color in, at 1/3 of the nail. Do them one by one. Take off the excess powder with a brush. You have to do the rubbing quickly to get more beautiful effect. You can do rub-in ombre with dark and light colors, but they have to be similar shades. There is another ombre method, called tap-on method. Choose what is easier for you. Have a look at our videos of baby boomer and ombre with bright colors. Those have been done with tap-on method. The ombre is very popular in our salon. There is no day without having some done. Brush off the excess powder after every layer. Pay attention of the side walls as well. Shouldn't take back any powders with your brush to the bottle. In this case you can ruin the base liquid. Do the second layer by going a bit further than 1/3 of the nail with the dark color. Do this process on all of the 5 nails. We do a 3rd layer of color on this length, but it depends how long the nails you do. If your nails are longer, you have to do more layers. No rules for that. If your base gel application is thin, less powder can stick into it. So you have to do more layers. Brush off the excess powder after every layer. Pay attention of the side walls as well. After this we do a clear top full layer on them to protect the color. If you find the nails flat, you can do a half layer of clear top powder, only the middle of the nails to make the apex more effective. This step depends on the natural nail shape. Take off the excess powder with a brush. Do the shaping and buffing. Use the activator generously and wait 1 minute. Important to use it because it sets the top coat. Use the first layer of top coat in thin layers quickly. This one seals the product. Apply the second layer of top coat all over them again, but thicker.